Namaste. Welcome back to my channel Think India. Today in Think India Kitchen, we are going to make a refreshing drink, mango lassi. Lassis are exotic yogurt drinks which are made in Indian households and are also popular in Indian restaurants overseas. One among them is mango lassi. Do you know that 1500 varieties of mangoes are cultivated in India? The king of fruits is absolutely delicious in any form, and especially when it's made into a lassi. After having a spicy biryani or a spicy Indian meal, just have one glass of mango lassi and no words. It's so easy to make, and let's get started. We need 2 ripe mangoes cut into cubes, which is around 1 cup, half cup or 125 ml yogurt, quarter cup or 60 milliliters of cream, 2 cardamom pods deseeded, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 4 to 5 chopped almonds for garnishing. Take a mixer, add mangoes, yogurt, fresh cream, sugar, cardamom, and blend everything on high speed until you get a creamy texture. Pour the lassi in a glass, garnish with chopped almonds and serve. So, it's very important to use a ripe mango to make lassi. Please do not use unripe ones. Of course, ripe mangoes are seasonal. In such case, you can always use canned mango puree to make lassi. But check if it's sweetened or unsweetened, and you can adjust the sugar according to your taste. The second thing is using a perfect yogurt. Use a full fat creamy yogurt to make the lassi, because the fat in the yogurt helps to cut down the spiciness of Indian food. Here you go, our exotic mango lassi is ready. Just make it at home, enjoy with your family and friends, and let me know in the comment section below how your mango lassi has turned out. If you like the recipe, please like and share it with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and until next time, Namaste.